Hi, did you ever wonder how fast an AI can build a game, for example, for a browser? Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude to create a web-based Tetris clone in under 60 seconds. So here we have Claude and we'll just prompt it to generate a Tetris clone. Can you please generate a Tetris game? Voila, and there you go. As you can see, Claude's starting, it's thinking, and we'll see what it comes up with. So it's crafting. Claude basically can research whatever information you're giving him, and in this case what Tetris is. And it knows what Tetris is, it knows the blocks they have to move, you have to be able to move them to change direction and orientation, and so it generates the whole code. So what you see here is the code generation. This can take a while, but a while essentially being less than 60 seconds. You see the code being generated, and you can use Claude also then to preview it, but you can also in the end just copy paste the code into either another program to use to preview the code or the results of the code, or you can directly upload it to your web server and you can basically run it as an open web browser-based game available on the internet. So we're watching the code a bit more being generated, and once it's finished we'll see how the game works. And there it is, Tetris game generated in under 60 seconds. So let's have a quick view, start the game. There it is, and you can use the arrow keys as described to move the pieces and to change direction and to move it all the way down. And there you go, there it is, there's your working Tetris clone as you know it from the old days on the Game Boy.